and welcome to Maruti. Right, we are looking at the new Maruti Shift launched today itself, the latest 2020 model. We are looking at the automatic version of the Shift actually here. It is the AMT model, the Shift AMT with the dual tone exterior. The latest features of coming to the previous model is going to be quite different. Coming to front exterior thing, you can see here we got an stylish sporty cross mesh grille with the chrome finishing on it. And coming to front, we do get a LED projection headlamps with DRLs and fog lamps. And headlamps are going to be only top end. And remaining all variants comes with an normal halogen bulb headlamps. And coming to the exterior look, we do get a different exterior compared to old model. That is going to be the dual exterior. It comes with the three colors. One is a red and black combination. Second is going to be the white and blue combination. And third is going to be the black and white combinations. And coming to wheel size, we get a sporty precision cut alloy wheels for the 15-inch here. For the both, in top end itself, we get a precision cut alloy wheels. And coming to ZXi variant, we get a silver color alloy wheels with size of 15 inches. Again, and coming to VXi and the LXi variants, we get a 14-inch steel wheels with the wheel caps. And coming to the interior functions, you can see what are the difference coming to the compared to previous models here. And this is a keyless entry. We get in the ZXi and ZXi Plus variants. And coming to the interior, we get a cruise control additional thing in the top end. In previous variant, we don't get the cruise control here. And coming to the new variant, we get a cruise control. And coming to the MID screen also, it has a 3.5 inch. And right now, we're looking at the interior here. And we can see a keys here. We do have a lock and unlock button. By double tapping the unlock button, we can unlock all the doors here. And for the starting of engine, we can place the keys in the cup holder here. And we can push our starter button here. We do have a start and stop button. And the changes happened in the new Shift is going to be the four things here. One is the cruise control, comes in the only top end, and previously we don't have the cruise control. Normally it can be seen in the sedan and the SUV versions here, but coming to hatchback, that with the sporty look, Maruti has launched cruise control also in the Shift. And coming to the audio controls, we can have a call buttons and the Bluetooth button and the modes changing button. And coming to extra things is going to be the 3.5 inches MID display, which is latestly installed in the Shift. In previously, we don't get a colored MID display, and there will be ambient lighting in the car. That means we do have a different colors changing in the ambient wise cluster, in the speedometer and the RPM meter. And coming to interior, we do get a ideal start stop function in the Shift also, just like a hybrid versions. You can see in the versions like a Dzire and the Brezza, we do get a ideal start stop function. The same function was kept in the Shift also. What is the use of this mainly? You can see the ideal start stop function used to save the fuel efficiency. For example, if you want to activate the thing, normally when the door is open and we have to put on the seat belt and then we have to start the engine, then only ideal start stop function will be activated, and it will be used in the signal conditions. For example, then coming to interior things, we do get a silver finishing on the steering, the previous version itself. And coming to the screen here, we can see a 7 inches multi information system in the car. We get a 7 inches Smart Play Studio in the car, the ZXi and the ZXi Plus variant. And coming to basic version VXi variant, we get a feather touch system in the car. In previous we get a button system, but coming to the VXi, we can't see here. In the VXi variant, we get a feather touch system. And coming to climate control AC is going to be in top end. Automatic control AC will be in the ZXi and ZXi Plus. In VXi we get a manual knob things here as a difference. And we can get a neat silver finishing on the dashboard, on the handles of the side doors. Every door we get on the four doors we get a silver finishing. On the steering we get silver finishing. And coming to seat wise, for the more comfort for the customer, the Shift has recently designed the seat covers to extra shoulder support. Just like a bucket seats. You can sit in the seats and feel comfortable how to travel anywhere in the India. It means not only the persons who are using in the cities, we can travel this car to the cities out of states also, we can travel with this car. That's a major support in the car. And coming to the seat adjustables, we can have a 6-way adjustable seat. You can see the recline things here going to be forward and backward, and height also can be adjusted in the Shift manually. That's a major difference. And here we do have two cup holders, and the phone can be placed here. And we are seeing the AMT function here. We can see run, neutral, drive and manual mode. And this is a VVT engine actually. And coming to dashboard, we will have a dashboard here. There's we can handle 2 liters of bottle here. That's it about the interior. And coming to this thing, we do have a mirror here, ammeter meter. And one more thing we do have in the Shift is going to be the auto foldable ORVMs in top end. It was latestly in the new model itself. In the previous, you don't get the auto foldable ORVM. When we lock the car, it's going to close the ORVMs directly. That's in the top end. And coming to safety features, coming to automatic version, we do got a new installation of safety is going to be ESP and hill hold control for the car. It is majorly used in the slope roads like Banjar Hills. You can go there, and there is a very reclined roads. Then we can use a hill hold control there. That will be controlled automatically for 2 seconds only, not more than that thing. And coming to ESP, the stability programming for the car is newly launched for the VVT engine dual jet. That's the major things for the safety. And we do got a ISOFIX style seat anchorage for all the models, the standard devices for all things. And coming to the airbags, the dual airbags are the standard thing for the car. And the seat belt potential and force limiter is a standard thing for all the cars, for all the variants. Yes, now we can see in the back seats. And welcome guys, coming to back seat here. Actually this seat is totally backward. That's the reason, even though you can see there is more knee room compared to the other variants here. The same competition range vehicles, we don't have knee room actually for the cars. And the 3 persons can be seated comfortably, but the third person will be in the middle. They will be a little bit congested because we do have a tunnel in the middle. That's the only reason. You can see, even though I sit more comfortably, there is no headrest in the third seat also. And we do get a 2 headrest for the rear seats. And you can see the anchorage in the car here. The ISOFIX compatibility for the car. Here we do have anchorage. That is the standard thing for all the variants. Here do anchorage here, and here also we do have anchorage for the cars. There's a difference in the interior from the back side. Normally this comes only in the top 2 variants in previously, but now it was standard for all the variants. That's a major difference. And coming to speakers, you can see we do have a Maruti default speakers. Here we do get a speakers for each door. Here we do get a speakers for each door, and that means we get 4 speakers in the car and 2 tweeters. And chrome finishing on the handle inside things. That's a major thing changed in the interior only. And coming to rear side of the car, we do see a splitter, defogger and the wiper for the car. And coming to the camera will be here. Here we do have a camera. It was changed the things. Normally we do get here, but now we'll be getting a center camera here. Only top end. And coming to VXI and ZXI, we don't get cameras. In top end only we get camera. And coming to the rear end, there is no much difference in the rear end. The only color is changed totally. And coming to tail lamps here, we do get a LED tail lamps, C-shaped LED tail lamps for both the ends, for all the variants. It is a standard thing for all the cars. That's only coming to the exterior, coming to the exterior and the rear side. Maruti has newly launched the dual jet VVT engine in the Shift, which increases the fuel efficiency compared to the previous versions. We get 2 km more compared to previous version. And coming to the mileage efficiency for the car per liter, 23.2 is a manual version mileage we getting. And coming to the DCT function, we do get a 23.76 in the automatic version. We do get 23.76. The same automatic we are looking at is going to be ZXi Plus. That is the one. Compared to the manual version, we get more efficiency in the automatic version. How the keyless entry function works here. Normally you can see the auto foldable ORVM when they lock the car here. There is a new feature added to the Shift here. Previously we don't get that auto foldable function. And coming to keyless entry also, you can see the keys are going to be in hand. When I press this button, it's going to unlock. And if I press again, it's going to unlock all the doors. Now we can open the doors. And we have to open the ORVM by pressing a button here inside the thing. Or if you press the unlock button also, it's going to open the ORVMs. Or we can press this button, or we can press this button. The ORVMs are going to on when we on the engine actually. Yes sir. And coming to the auto start stop function, ideal start stop function will be there in the car by activating the hybrid function, which is placed here, the A function. If we on this function only, the ideal start stop function will work. And we do have a ESP and ESP function here. This is going to be an electronic stability program function. The button is used for that. And coming to the MID, you can see, have a zoom look in the MID here. I'm starting the car. Yep. Now you can see a MID display, which was new feature added to the Shift, 3.5 inches. And you can see the Azals, which are getting the door is open, the fuel is low, and it is ignition mode totally. And we can see a different cluster compared to the previous version. And we can see a 7 inches screen SmartPlay Studio, which has a compatibility of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for the car. And we get the maps installed in the car, and we can connect this car through SmartPlay Studio app also. That is used in the mobile app, either in Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We can use in that function. And Coming to interior wise, we could get a Bluetooth aux USB in the 3 variants, and coming to screen we get in 2 variants, ZXi and ZXi Plus, and VXi we get a feather touch system, 2D sound stereo. That's the major thing we get in difference in the car, and we get a leather steering in the ZXi and ZXi Plus. And coming to silver finishing, we get in ZXi Plus only, not in ZXi also. And cruise control also will be in ZXi Plus, not in ZXi. Coming to steering adjustments for the car, we get a tilt steering here. We do have a anchorage here. We pull that down and we can adjust the steering according to your heights. Not only seats, the steering can also be adjusted to your heights as per your compatibility. That's a major difference coming to the different versions here. And the ORMs are going to control by the electronic knob. That is going to be here. This is a knob. Yeah, this is the knob. We use it to change the direction of the ORVM, outside rear view mirrors. And this is a button which can be closed manually. The ORMs can be closed manually here. The window lock button and central locking options and window options. And this window is going to be the anti-pinch video. Once any object is near between the windows, it's gonna close automatically. For example, you can see it is a closing with the one punched power, and if I place anything here, it's gonna close again. That's a plus point for the anti-pinch window here. That's only comes with on the driver side, not all the windows. That's the difference coming to the interior wise also for all the variants. And there's a new shift we are looking at in the car, and we are expecting more other variants also. Right now we do have a lot of bookings for the car, you can see. And this is the new variant. Yeah, coming to the color differences, the dual tone and the single tone versions have different pricing. 20,000 is the approx changes in the color. Coming to the colors also, in the top end versions we don't have a single colors, like red and blue we don't have single colors. We do have only dual exteriors, that is a black and blue and the black and red, and is going to white and blue. The two difference in the colors. We don't get a single color in the ZXi Plus. Red and blue will not be present in the ZXi Plus. That's the difference, and we do have extra colors, red, white and black in the top end. We do get a plain white, and we do get a plain, black and white combination in the top end, ZXi Plus, both manual and automatic versions. We do have a price difference starting from the ex-showroom here. The shift, the top end we are looking at ZXi Plus automatic. The ex-showroom is going to be 8,41,000. And coming to the Shift LXi, the basic version, it's going to be 5,73,000 rupees, the basic version. In between that, we do have different variants like VXi, VXi automatic, ZXi automatic. And coming to the dual tone version, you can see difference here how it's going to be. The manual ZXi Plus single color is going to be 7,77,000 rupees ex-showroom price. And coming to the dual tone version is going to be 7,91,000 rupees. You can see a change of approx 14,000 rupees change in the ex-showroom here. And coming to ZXi Plus, the top end also will be same as it is. 8,27,000 is the ex-showroom price for the single tone color, and ZXi Plus dual tone is going to be 8,41,000 rupees. That's the difference. You can see the same difference of 14,000 rupees for the difference of the pricing in the ex-showroom. And coming to on-road, by adding taxes and insurance, it will be like a 20,000 difference for the car. That's about the price variance here. And right now we are at the Maruti Suzuki Arena, Somajiguda branch, Sabu RKS. That's the major head office coming to the all branches. We do have 4 outlets in different places. One is going to be the Malakpet, Kushaiguda, Tadban, and one is going to be the Rajbhavan Road, Somajiguda. And myself, Shashidhar, is manager here.